Welcome to my video on how to change the boot order in the BIOS so that you're able to run removable media like CDs and USBs at boot up. For instance, the Hiren's BootCD needs to be run at boot up to be able to make use of its utilities, and sometimes your BIOS may not have a simple boot menu to select the CD, or you may not be able to find it. If this is the case, like the person in this comment, then you can change the boot order in the BIOS instead. Rather than sending a written answer to this person, I thought I'd make this video for anyone else who may be struggling to run the Hiren's BootCD at startup, or any other removable media for that matter. It's quite simple to do, so let's get started. I'm afraid I had to use my video camera to record the BIOS, as my virtual machine bypasses the BIOS loading screen and loads Windows straight away. When you first turn on your computer, a BIOS screen will appear, and this is different depending on your type of BIOS. So mine is a Gigabyte P67A UD7, so this is what my BIOS screen looks like. But at the bottom of all BIOS screens, it gives you the buttons you have to press to get to certain areas of its settings. So you're looking for something that says BIOS setup or something similar to that. So as you can see, my button is the del key, which is delete. So on my keyboard, I would keep tapping the delete key whilst my computer is turning on. So as soon as I turn my computer on, I keep tapping the delete key. The BIOS screen will disappear, and then the BIOS settings should appear. Now this is going to look different depending on what kind of BIOS you have. On mine I have to go down to advanced BIOS features to get to this, but on many others there's a bar across the top and you have to use the arrow keys to get to boot order, and then you should get a window similar to this. Now go down to first boot device with the arrow keys and hit enter, and then I'm pressing the down arrow key to go to CD-ROM, put a dot there, and then hit enter to select that. Then I'm using the down arrow key to go to the second boot device, pressing enter, and then I'm using the up arrow key and hitting enter to select hard disk. So I've essentially switched CD-ROM and hard disk around, so it tries to boot from the CD-ROM before booting from the hard disk. Now press F10 to save changes, hit enter. It might be a different button on your BIOS. Look at the bottom for the button that you need to do for save and exit or simply save changes. Press that key, you might have to click enter, and then your computer will reboot with those new settings, and if your CD is in your CD drive, it should boot from it perfectly. What you're seeing on the screen now is the old Hiren's BootCD 8.9. I just put that in my CD drive as it was rebooting, and it booted to it automatically. As you can see, it's come up straight away, no problem there. I hope my video helped anyone who was struggling to run removable media at boot up. If you found my video useful, please like, comment, favourite and subscribe. Thanks for watching.